All right, good afternoon, everyone. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic, and I'm going to try to explain. There were several emails that came through today, so I'm going to try to explain exactly what's happening in this next transition of the class. So I am in the eLearn at the Education Experience Education 1030 course. I am under Content, and then I'm in Chapter 1, which is where we are this week. So there's that usual student hangout. If you have questions or you want another space to connect with everybody, that's the place to go. But I've divided this week's assignments up into a mandatory, and then there is a your choice, your voice. All right, so on the mandatory, it's the things you have to complete, just like it says right there. The items in this section are mandatory to complete. There are no choices here. So you have to read chapter 1, and I provide you the exact page numbers that you're supposed to read. You do that first. All right, and then you have chapter 1, making the connection between technology and the college lecture video. So that's the video I want you to go listen to. It's my lecture video. There's the transcript so that you can have it to read through again, or you can have it in addition while you're listening to the video, or maybe you decide not to watch the video and you just want to read the transcript. That's fine. What the transcript is, it states the very same things that I say on the movie. So my exact words from the video are on the transcript. Okay, and then you're going to go to this video about the current student resource tab, and you're going to look through it, and then you're going to also, if you want, there's the transcript for that. So exactly what I say in this video is captured on this transcript. Okay, all right, those are mandatory. You have to complete those this week. All right, now your choice, your voice. This is where things get a little different, because in this section you decide what you want to complete. So I'm putting out your goal. Your goal is to get enough points to earn the grade you want for this class. So I've actually put the amount of points you have to have in order to get an A at the end of the semester. All right, it says earn the grade you want for this class. So if you want an A, you have to accumulate between 900 and 1,000 points. All right, so right here, some things are already mandatory. You have to do chapter 1 exam. You have to, exam 1, which is chapter 1, 2, and 3. You have to do exam 2, which are chapters 4, 5, and 6. You have to do exam 3, which is chapter 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then there is a chapter 2 all about me activity you have to do. There's a chapter 5 2-year plan that you have to do. And then your voice, your choice makes up the other 500 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 500 more. That gets you 1,000. Okay? So it says here are the choices for this week's your choice, your voice, your choice assignments and their point values. So you can fill in the template notes, and it's worth 10 points. And I tell you exactly where to submit them and how to submit them. There's the Dropbox. There's also a tool down here, how to upload the template notes. So there's a video to tell you how to do it. All right, and then the other one that you have the choice for 10 more points is complete chapter 1, thinking back, thinking ahead on pages 8 to 10. Submit them to the chapter 1, thinking back, thinking ahead Dropbox, which I have already linked to there, or you can come down here and put it in either one of these places. So there's the template notes template. You can download those, fill them out, then upload them back in to the Dropbox, the template notes. So if you do that, that's worth 10 points. If you do the thinking back, thinking ahead, that's worth 10 points toward your 900 to 1,000 points to get that A if that's what you're working for. Okay? There's all the tools that you might need, again, to help you be successful. I try to keep everything in this one area so you don't have to go in between modules. So, once again, you have to do all of these, and there's no points attached, but you have to do them. This is part of your success on that exam 1 that you're going to be taking soon. So, you have to listen to these, and you have to know these notes. These transcripts, read through them, make sure you understand them. And then you have the option this week of doing the template notes or the think back and or the think back, thinking ahead. If you want 10 points, then do each of those. You've got, if you get everything right, then it's 20 points. All right, I hope this helps. If not, send me another email and I'll try to fix it.